The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, third chapter, text number 13, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on September 18th, 1972, in Los Angeles.
Translation. The eighth incarnation was King Rishabha, son of King Nabhi, and his wife Meru Devi. In this incarnation the Lord showed the path of perfection, which is followed by those who have fully controlled their senses and who are honored by all orders of life.
So, there are some important words in this verse. The first thing is dhirana. Dhirana means sober, gentle. There are two ways, because there are two kinds of people in this world. One is called dhira and the other is called adhira. Adhira means almost animal. They cannot control their senses. The dhira, one who can control sense, he is called dhira. In the Rupa Goswami's obeisances, we find Krishnat Kirtana Gana Nartana Paro Primam Mritam Nidhi Dhira Dhira Priya Karo. Krishnat Kirtan, the Krishna consciousness movement, is appreciable by the both classes, dhira and adhira. Those who are advanced by austerities, controlling the senses, and those who are not so, very fallen, both of them, dhira dhira piyakaro nirmatsaro. Another example of dhira is there in Kumar Sambhav. Kumar Sambhav is a Sanskrit book which I think we read in our college IA class by Kalidas, poet Kalidas. So this theme of that book is that the demigods, they wanted to fight with the demons, and it was necessary that a son should be begotten by Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva at that time lost his wife in the Dukkha Yagga. He gave up his life. There was some misunderstanding between Maharaj Dukkha, father of Parvati or Durga. So she gave up her life because her father was against Lord Shiva. He was repudiating Lord Shiva, and she could not tolerate that. My father, you are so proud that you are blaspheming Lord Shiva because you think I am your daughter and your son-in-law is subordinate. So I am returning this body to you. He immediately gave up her body. So Lord Shiva, having lost his wife, he was on the Himalayas executing severe tapasya. So the demigods, they planned to break the tapasya meditation of Lord Shiva by sending Parvati, a daughter of Himalaya. Lord Shiva's wife then took birth as daughter of Himalaya. So when she was young, grown up, 16 years old, so she was engaged to break the meditation of Lord Shiva. So, Lord Shiva was in meditation naked, and Parvati was induced to worship Lord Shiva and touch the genital. But Lord Shiva still was undisturbed. So at that time, Kalidas, Kavi, that here is the example of Dhiro. He is so much absorbed in meditation that a young girl touching the genital still is undisturbed. Is so self-controlled. So, this is Dhira. Dhira means even there is cause of disturbance, he will not be disturbed. And that is Dhira. And one who is disturbed by this slight agitation, he is not Dhira. He is Adhira. So, mostly people are Adhira. They are agitated by slight disturbance. Because they have not been trained in such a way. Otherwise, just like Krishna, when Krishna was being elected as president in the Rajsya Yajna assembly of Maharaj Yudhishthira, so somebody remarked that this man, because those who are blind, they would see Krishna as ordinary man. So, he is woman hunters from the very beginning. So how he can be elected? So at that time, Bhishma, the most celebrated brahmachari, he never accepted any wife, or he had no connection with any woman. He immediately stood up. He said that I am celebrated throughout the whole world as brahmachari,